So we're building a Jurassic survival game where you escape from these dinosaur predators. And our main character design is actually inspired by a lot of cute, funny things. Check out these eyes. We actually pulled from the bulging look of a frog to give him that signature derpy stare. He's also wearing this bright yellow hazard suit, which basically makes him a walking target for a T-Rex. But the coolest part is the movement. We took a lot of inspiration from the frantic energy of Scracked from Ice Age and the chaotic vibe of Minions to make him feel super expressive. We also added a ragdoll system, so he looks hilarious whenever he panics or gets knocked around. We're still tweaking the animations to make sure the derpy vibe feels spot on. So, would you survive as this guy? Or is he just too derpy? Let us know.